I love you, Allah.
I feel like I don't possess this quality. Allah loves haya. And haya is a word. There's actually no English translation for it. There's not a word in the English dictionary. There's not a single word that can translate the word haya and give it its rights. And that speaks volumes. When a language, whether it's English or any other language, when a language or a culture don't have words for concepts like honesty, honor, loyalty, that speaks volumes about those people, and it speaks volumes about that language. And it's a quality. The Prophet says, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that haya, yani to have haya, is from iman. And we live in societies today where actually it's the opposite. When someone is so haya, the word haya is derived from the word hay. Look how amazing this is in Arabic. In English, again, like I said, there's no single word, but there's a collaboration of words. So to have haya, it means to be modest, bashfulness, humbleness, also. Yeah, shyness, but I don't like shyness because sometimes shyness can be interpreted as weakness. But we have this culture now where it's like, we don't want a man who doesn't put himself out there, who's not sort of outspoken. I'm not a pushover. The Prophet says it's from Iman, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when he was described, when the Sahaba described him, who knows what example they gave about his demeanor.